Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mona Lisa from TheMonaZine. Today we are turning a simple wooden board into a cutest handmade couple fridge magnet. We will use clay to make a tiny flower, some detailing, and I will create a mini romantic artwork that you can gift your partner, your best friend, or ever keep your own fridge. And seriously, wait till the final reveal because this tiny DIY turned out so adorable. So grab your clay, sit back, relax, and let's create something beautiful together. To start off, we need a round wooden base. This is going to be our canvas. I am using air dry clay today to sculpt our cute little couple. First, let's make the face. I am shaping two round, smooth faces and placing them right next to each other. Use some water to give a smooth texture. Dip your finger in the water and brush it in the clay using your fingertip. For the hair, I want to give them some texture. Smooth straight hair for him and some fun bouncy curls for her. Now add some personality. I am adding tiny clay detail like their glasses and little arm reaching out. But a romantic magnet isn't complete without flowers. What do you say? Right next to them, I am sculpting an entire branch of tiny, beautiful roses and leaves wrapping around the edges. Before we paint, let me share a few quick tips and tricks to make your clay work flawless. If your air dry clay started cracking while you shape it, just dip your finger in a tiny bit of water and smooth it out. Don't use too much water or it will become sticky. Also, air dry clay doesn't always stick well to the wood on its own. Always apply a thin layer of Fevicol on the wooden board before pressing your clay down so it stays glued forever. So our clay part is done. Now time for the color. Once the clay is completely dry, it's time for magic step 1, Gesso. Don't skip this step. Adding a layer of white gesso, stir the clay and ensure your acrylic color look bright and vibrant. And now let's bring them to life. I'm painting a beautiful dreamy pink background filled with tiny white and red heart. For the outfit, a lovely blue for him and a bright pattern red dress for her and some rosy pink cheeks. Define those cute round glasses and paint the rose in a bright yellow and pink shade to make the whole piece pop. At least this is my plan. Now let's see how it turned out. Is it look good? What do you think? To protect our artwork and giving it that premium glossy finish, I am applying a coat of clear varnish. This protects it from dust and moisture. And here is our final trick. When attending your magnet to the back with Fevicol, let it dry completely for at least 2 to 3 hours before putting it on the fridge. If you try to stick it on the fridge too early, the heavy magnet might slide off. And here is the final reveal. Look how absolutely gorgeous and adorable this turned out. The 3D clay details, the tiny rose and those little glasses just melt my heart. Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy these tips and love making this with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the TheMonaZine for more creative DIYs and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comment who you would give this cute magnet to. I know I said this make a great gift, but for now I am keeping this one all to myself. It's going right on my fridge. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.